What's good, guys? This is JB Trades today, and today we're gonna do a little daily recap of today. So today there was news at 8:30, and it was unemployment claims. See how it affected actual and forecast. So let's just look to get straight up. Like let me put this down like right here. Let me get a little rundown. So my bias was bearish, and why? So as you can see right here, Asian, London. It was just continuation to an uptrend, and there was a lot of low resistant liquidity, a lot of low resistant liquidity to be filled. So, and I put in my brain like, because NQ was closer to fill London high than ES. So I said, if it does go up, goes up in price to fill, excuse me, to fill London highs and then rally down, that's going to have an SMT divergence. That's one confluence right there, which it did. It bearish. And I thought it was going to go down because it was a liquidity sweep. And what that was going to happen, that was going to happen as an order block. Right. But it didn't happen, which is all okay. So it went up again. And that was creating another SMT. Like right here. I can show you. As you can see right here. Right here at 940, 210. And so NASDAQ was the lagging, ES was the leading. And so I entered like as a fair value gap. So this was confirmation of the trend. I was waiting for a continuation. And the continuation, it was a fair value gap, which it filled, skilled on the 1 minute. Which was on the 1 minute. And then which I entered off of this breaker structure. Wait, sorry, that was wrong. Entered off. Wait, was it? Oh, sorry. It was right here. This breaker structure. And then I entered. And then my original stop loss was like around, yeah, right here. And 1 to 4 risk. But as you can see, I'm down 1,000. How come? So market was, let me go on 5 minute. I have to follow the order flow. So the trend. So it was just doing a rally, just a little test. And so what happened was during these candles right here, I lowered my stop loss. I lowered my stop loss to be exactly right here, right? In which I got filled. I was risking 2 contracts, and how's that $1,000 loss? I FOMO'd because I got very mad all that trade, and I tried to go short, and then it went all the way up, and I sold it, and it was a $800 loss. It really put me down heavy. Like I basically lost everything I had on the Express account, and at the verge of losing my new combines, right? And it was literally yesterday. Had a beautiful day yesterday, but I was greedy. As today, I was greedy, lowering the stop loss. I have to plug in my brain, leave it at is, leave it at is until it shows confirmation of the order flow. And what do you mean by confirmation of order flow? When it actually closes, like right here, like I'll even like if I really want to like close it, like if it goes right here or right here, I can go break even to have a risk-free trade, right? But no, it was during right here, and I lowered my stop loss, and which got me stopped. And just to put in a measure, this would have been a $5,000 day, right? And so my bias was there. My confluences was there. It was perfect. Everything was there. It's literally like that's why I like to say it was literally like your strategy could be the best, but if you don't have this in check, it could really crumble everything. Like look at this. It was a beautiful trade. Like there was a possibility that I would even I don't know, it wasn't too realistic, but imagine I felt cocky and went right here, right? That's screw the money. That's just like a high percentage. And so that's really what I gotta say is like I really gotta take my mental health, sounds corny, but take my mental strategy into the next level and actually put the hard work in. Because I keep putting money in the brain as money is a bypass, right? Money is a byproduct. I'm more worried about trying to predict the market, trying to predict where it's going. I did, but I felt too greedy and lowered the stop loss to put me in this situation right now. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'm gonna be trading. I did this all at work too. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading. I might take a break, just to refresh the mind and really work and back test. I'm really gonna back test a lot. I've been lacking on that. But I just wanted to show y'all like strategy could be awesome. Like, of course, you need strategy with trading, but strategy, I would say it's like 25%. I'm not even BSing. Like that 70%, 75%. Market is closed. Shoot. The 75% is literally fucking your mental strategy. Psychology. I don't know how to say that. Like yesterday, would have been $900 day in 3 accounts. I ought to be super close at passing my combines already, if you think about that. It's funny that my confidence is showing I'm doing what I'm doing. Is I'm feeling too greedy for money. Too like I see how much I'm losing stop loss. Stop loss I think was like $700 loss. I'll take it. I'll literally take it. Cause look at this. Look at how much, you know? I gotta really plug that in my brain. Like one thing I would highly recommend if you do trade or you're starting to trade or you want to trade. Like of course you're gonna learn day by day, but when you start trading, like one thing I would highly recommend is when you place that confident trade, set your stop loss, set your take profit, and get out of it. Get out of it. And then check on it like the next 10, 15 minutes. And then if it's looking good, go to break even. If you want, trail it, have some profit and put it on full take profit, you know? But this is JB Trades today, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is Road to 10K. It's not over. Just a little roadblock. I will be coming back. Don't get me wrong. I will bounce back soon. This is JB Trades. God bless. I'm out.